Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some online shopping at Louis Vuitton. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber, and welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Carla, and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. So as most of you know by now, we are currently dealing with the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. So pretty much at this point, all we're left with is online shopping, which I'm still pretty, I don't know, like meh about it, because the packages come and you have to spray it down, probably spray down the items that are inside as well. So it's just being more cautious, and of course it's just not as fun. I am, and I know I am, a shopaholic. I am obsessed with shopping, was obsessed with shopping. So am I going to stop? No. Should I stop? Yes, I probably should, especially during times like this where, you know, for some, money is hard, some are losing jobs, but I'm just, like I said, addicted to shopping. I'm gonna share my word of the day. The word of the day today is gratitude. And it's just being grateful for every single thing that we have right now. In this time, like I said, it's a tough time, and it's just being grateful for family. If you're around family right now, being grateful that you have a home. If you have a home right now, you're safe in it, you're able to stay in it, you have food, you have a job if you still have your job. Just being grateful and having that attitude of gratitude. So yes, let's jump right into this video. And I'm probably going to take these glasses off. I feel like I look kind of like a school teacher, which I feel like I've been right now with the children at home. Okay, so like I said, we're going to do some online shopping. I am an essential worker, so it's not like I'm stuck at home. However, the stores are closed. So like I said, I've pretty much been subjected, or not subjected, but I pretty much can only do online shopping. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to be looking specifically at the Escale, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Escale collection, the spring collection for Louis Vuitton. And we're just gonna do some talking and let's see if there's anything that's worth me purchasing. Let's start with this printed Parker. And I've had this thing, if you've been following me, if you've been subscribed to me, you know that I love the giant collection. So that's where the LVs, it's bigger, it's not like the smaller print. So I love this Parker. It's pretty cute. I don't know how I would wear it, if I would wear it. I love how it looks here, but I don't know. See, I love how it just had the smaller normal print and then you have the giant with it. Let's see. So this is 3,500. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if that's something I want. I was more focusing on the bags anyways. I'm a bag girl, so that's something I prefer just in general, just because you can use it more often than you can the clothing pieces. Do I have some luxury clothing pieces? Yes, but I prefer the handbags. Like here we have the on the go in the GM size, and I like this. I really like this. I love this print. I love that it has that tie-dye vibe. Is it too much? I don't know yet. Like I said, we can only do online shopping, so it's not like I'm able to see these pieces in store. My SA just happened to send me the link to this collection, so I wanted to take a look at it. But yeah, it's hard to really see it online, to see the actual look of it online and how I can style it. I like going in stores and trying on the pieces and seeing how they look and how I can style it with my body. I like pairing things to my body because sometimes it's hard to know what's gonna fit, what's gonna look good if it's not like by your side. But I do like this. I love, like I said, I love how this one here has both the regular monogram and the giant LV here, but like I said, I'm not sure about the color. I like the color, but I'm not sure yet how it would look. This one is 2,720 US dollars. Let's see, I don't know why, I love this specific kind of unicornish, pastel-y kind of vibe right here. I don't know. I might get this one. Let's just keep looking and see what we have here. Ooh, look at the pochette cosmetic pouch. This one retails for $535. And I can, ooh, they have it in the pastel color. I like this a lot. I really like this one. Comment down below and let me know what you think, but I do like this. This is definitely a contender. I don't know, I could use it for a lot. You can use it by itself. You can use it just to keep your stuff organized in your bag. You can do a lot with these pouches. Don't be thrown off. Don't think, oh, these things are really small, you can't do much with it. You can, believe it or not. You can always find a way to turn a pouch into a handbag as well. So you could take this cosmetic pouch and find a way to make it like a cute handbag, maybe attach a cute little gold chain strap to it and use it crossbody as a shoulder bag, or even just as a clutch with a cute kind of gold chainy accessory kind of thing. So don't think that just because you see something in its current form doesn't mean that you can't change it up for your own liking. And here we have the Neo Noe. I've always wanted a Neo Noe. I remember originally I wanted that yellow mustardy color, and it's sold out immediately, and I've yet to get my hands on it. They are available now, but last time I saw it, it was in store, and once again, I can't shop in store. So yeah, that's where we're at right now with the Neo Noe, but I do like this one. Let's see. So this one is $2,290. I like the look of this. Let's see what the inside looks like. So the inside of this one has the small monogram inside, and as you can see here, the Neo Noes have that divider. If you don't like dividers, this may be a little tricky for you, but they do have a divider and it's not removable. This is exactly how it is and how it will stay. So if you don't like dividers in your bag, then you will not like this. But I can see already that you have the giant LV in the front, and then in the back, yep, I do see it. It has the cute, I love this. I love this. This may be what I purchase. This definitely a contender. Let's see what else they have, because I think I've made my decision. They have the Neverfull as well in this reddish pinkish kind of look. The bucket hat, which bucket hats remain a thing now. I have a big head. My head is too big for a bucket hat, so you may not catch me in a bucket hat unless they make it in like a double XL. My head is huge. I cannot fit a regular size bucket hat at all. Cannot. Don't even try at this point. Then they have the MM size in the Neverfulls. If you're interested in the Neverfulls, always remember that your Neverfulls also come with a detachable little pouch. Like, let me see if I can show you. Right here, I have my Neverfull, if you can see. And then they always come with this little detached wallet hand kind of thing, so you can use it as a clutch as well. So always remember that it will come with this. These are great for vacationing if you like to vacation and you want a cute fun bag. This will definitely be something that you may be interested in. They have it in the pastel color, and they have it in the rouge is what they're calling it, the ROUGE prints, if that's something you would be interested in. Here's the little pouch piece, how it looks. It looks more like that original smaller LV monogram print. I don't know, I have my eyes on the Noe. I'm not gonna lie, it's numero uno at this point. Let's see, they have the little bag charm, which I don't really care for. This cute little mini skirt, but no, like I said, I'm looking for bags. Carla, control yourself. Go in with a purpose. Go in with a purpose and stick to that purpose. That's it. That's it. Not looking for anything else, just a bag. Ooh, I've been wanting the bandolier for so long. I've had one in the past, but I've been wanting a new one. So let's see. They have this one, $2,510. Same regular bandolier. You know, it comes with the strap. The original monogram is more where you see this dark blue kind of leather. In the original monogram, that's all the vachetta leather, which can be tricky, right? You know, when you're traveling with these, you always have the chance of spilling something on it, so it does kind of damage quicker than your regular bag. But I love a Keepall bandolier, and I like this one. I do like this one. Let's see. We'll see. Another contender, but like I said, purpose handbag. And if I can't really find, ooh, the toiletry. So here we have, this one is $615. I like this. Let's see if they have it they do have it in the pastel. I don't know, guys. This may beat the Noe. I have wanted a Noe in a while, but I don't know. Let's see. If you've also seen my toiletry 26 video, you know that I've turned my toiletry 26 into a handbag. I use it as a clutch. I use it as so many things. I put it in my Neverfull to organize stuff, but guys, look at that pink interior. I love it. And that's something I love about the toiletries, is you can wipe it down. So right now it's between the toiletry 26 and the Noe. I should probably add them to my cart. Oh, stop it. We have the LV Escale, but we have it in the Karagami. I think that's how you say it. Oh my God, $1,020. This is more expensive, and I've noticed that. This collection is more expensive, and I think it's more the tie-dye than, you know, other collections that I've seen. This one is $1,020, like I said. However, I love that with this, you get the 3 different prints that are available. The rouge, like I said, the blue color here, and then the pastel. And I like this. And this right here, I love that the biggest form of the little Karagami pochette thing is the pastel color. I love this. This can be turned into a handbag as well easily. So you can use it as a clutch, a handbag, and like I said, you get 3 different ones. You get this little rouge one here, which you can put your cards in. You have the blue one, which you could probably put your phone if you want to use a smaller clutch. You don't want to use the bigger one, you could use that. I don't know, guys. This is definitely a contender. So far I have 3 things that they're definitely, oh my gosh. I'm not going to get all 3. I will not, and I'm telling you, well, I'm telling myself pretty much, and I need to tell myself, I will only get 1. I will not get carried away. I cannot get carried away, and I just can't. I can't. Let's just see. Ooh, this belt is cute. I wouldn't get it, but this is pretty cute, guys. This is the 30mm belt. This is $1,360, which I think is crazy. I would not pay that for this belt. I'm sorry. Others may, but I would not. I think that is crazy. And I'm sure there are people out there who think that buying Louis Vuitton items in general, the prices for their stuff is crazy anyways, but I think that this is crazy, and I just wouldn't. To each its own, right? To each its own. Let's see. I don't really see anything else. The shoes are cute, but I'm not looking for shoes. Will not be buying any shoes. Ooh, they have the Speedy bandolier, which, I don't know. I have a love-hate relationship with the bandolier. It's cute. The Speedy 30 is cute. This is kind of cute. You know, I love how they have it styled here. They have the all blue kind of pajama set with this bandolier, which would look cute. Like an all blue denim outfit would look cute with this. However, I have this love-hate relationship with the Speedy bandolier 30. More so because I feel like it's the Keepall. So whenever I have it on, I just feel like I'm using a Keepall. Like I should be going on vacation, and it's just weird. Like it looks weird. I don't like it. This is cute, but I wouldn't even get it. I don't really see. Oh, this took me all the way back to the beginning, guys. Ooh, these sunglasses. $760 though for these. No, not getting. Not even gonna look at them. Not gonna get these. They have hair accessories. I'm struggling right now with my hair. I don't need to be adding little clips to it. They have this card holder as well, which, like I said, if you get the Karigami, this is $375. The Karigami, the whole set was $1,020. So no, but there's a card holder. If you want actual slots, that's something you may want to consider. However, I don't know. I'm thinking about either, like I said, the Karigami, the Noe, or the Toiletry 26. And then they have like straps and belts, which, like I said, oh, they have this notebook here, $240 for a notebook. No thanks. I think ooh, they have the mini pochette, which this is really cute. If I had the multi pochette accessoire, I would probably get this. I would get this because I would swap it out with the front just to add a little edge. I would make this the mini pochette, you know, that little bag that they have in the front. I would swap it out for this one. It says notify me anyway, so it's sold out. However, if you can get your hands on this, $565, if you have the multi pochette, I would consider just adding this for a little, like, I don't know, a little edge, a little, you know, pizzazz to your whole multi pochette. And if you have it with the pink strap, this would look amazing. It, like I said, it's sold out here, but you never know, it could re-release. But this is a good idea. And that's really it, guys. So I just have to make my decision, and whatever I purchase, I will definitely do an unboxing. As you know, it would either be the Noe, the Karigami, or the Toiletry 26. So definitely stay tuned and see what I end up picking out. Please remember to be kind to one another, be loving, check on your neighbor, and especially during times like these. Make sure that everyone's okay, your family's okay. Send a text, send a little letter just to see if they're doing okay. Please remember to have that attitude of gratitude. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know which bag you think would be best out of the 3 that I have on my contenders list. Remember to subscribe. See you in the next video.